That's the smoke coming out the chimney.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Smoke making in for barbecue.
I know, right?
Hello.
How you doing?
Doing wonderful. Welcome to the McDonald house. Y'all doing all right today?
Doing good.
How about yourself?
Great.
Do you mind being on camera?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh,
You're
okay,
fine.
awesome.
This is Edward McDonald's home. No relation to Ronald.
Okay.
It's a 178-year-old home, started in 1843, so it's been around for quite some time. It originally started with just two rooms, these two off the back here. So the dining room was the living room, then he has a bedroom to the far right, and the kitchen in the far back. And then he added on to the house. He opened a cotton warehouse in Cuthbert, Georgia. He became pretty wealthy at that time. That's when the railroad came through in 1859. So he added the men's parlor to the left there, women's parlor to the right here. The man came in the she shed, like we call it today. And then he added upstairs for 9 children. So 9 children. You can just hear the pitter patter going on throughout the house. The house was donated to Westville in 1974. So we've had it for quite a while. Now you notice the bright colors in the parlors. That would help you with the lanterns at night since there was no electricity.
Yes.
The brighter the walls, the better you could see. And then of course you had to be pretty wealthy to afford colors in that time.
Oh yeah.
When the men and women were done with the parlors, children would be tutored in the parlors, and they could also play games in the parlors. Girls on one side.
So this room would have had, this house would have had a fireplace. Well, just like it
Fireplace
is.
in
Each room would have
every
had its own fireplace.
Only because he was pretty wealthy
Right.
as well. So the extended hallways with all the windows open would give you a nice breeze since there was no air conditioning. Over here you have the master bedroom. That was the only bedroom on the house. That's your electric blanket leaning up against the shift right there. That's how they warmed their bed.
Yeah.
You would put hot coals in it and rub it across the bed, pretty much until it became warm. Your shower straight ahead with a nightstand, and your bathroom is right above the bed.
So everything was compact.
Yeah, they made it work. They made it work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow.
They didn't have memory foam mattresses back then?
Mr. McDonald was pretty wealthy, so he would have had feathers in his mattress. All regular mattresses would have been made out of corn husk and straw, which is where you get sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. So that's where that comes from, all the way from the 1800s. Yeah, and then the rope tightener, they would tighten the ropes to keep the ropes tight, like that on there. Now over here you have the original windows left on the house. So this shows this was the living room in 1843, so that's why these windows are facing the stairwells. So this would have been your front porch right here.
That is amazing.
Yeah, left the windows in the house. So the dining room, of course, all adults would eat first in that time period. The heavier cooking would have been done on the right, the baking and prepping for dessert would be done on the left. So where y'all live from?
Well, we actually live here. We just haven't been out here since, we visited when it was in Lumpkin, and then, with the COVID and everything,
Oh,
when you
yeah.
guys first opened, it was like, well.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah,
now
this
that
is-
things are getting back to somewhat this kind of normalcy, we're trying to get out and
Yeah, that would be great. That would be great.
pump it on
No,
Sunday.
Sunday.
You guys need some days off.
Sundays and Mondays. Well, it was usually Sundays and Mondays, but now because of the COVID thing, we're closed on Tuesday as well.
Yeah.
So that gives us 3 days in a
Yeah.
row. So I like it. Gives us time to go do some stuff and hang out for a weekend.
Yeah.
Now, is the upstairs not stable or?
It's closed off because the Columbus code said we have to have 2 exits, and we
Yeah.
only have 1. And then, of course, no wheelchair for anybody.
Yeah.
So, you know, now
It's funny
eventually,
how
yeah.
things change over the years. I mean, at one time, wasn't it?
Yeah, it seemed like the window, they're pretty big, it would be
Well, I think when
sufficient.
this place was in Westville, it might have been closed off to the public just because there might have been offices up there or whatever, but now it's because of safety hazards and,
Well, when it was in Lunkin, you could go up there.
oh, okay.
Yeah, you can see the rooms and the beds and everything. So you can actually go on westville.org and you can look at the rooms and you can look at the
How
trucks
it
and
was
brought
before they
stuff up.
moved to here.
Yeah, so
So those
it
are
would've been nice. A lot of
specifically
people like to
Columbus
go.
codes.
Codes
Yeah,
for
yeah.
Columbus, they got to be raised so high. Now the courthouse does have 2 exits, so eventually
Right.
you'll be able to go upstairs
Right.
in the courthouse.
So they're probably still working on it.
Yeah, they got the other houses that we still have 14 left
Yeah.
over there. So they're portrayed in the courthouse for right now, and then once we can get them out, then you'll have a real courthouse. I didn't know, I never heard of Westfield before I moved here.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah.
I see they have a little garden here, nothing growing in it yet. I see they have a little garden here, nothing growing
No,
in it yet.
it's been a buffet for the deers.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
we actually have, then we got one over here, olive greens